My name is Taylor, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make scrambled egg in the microwave. What you're going to need is a mug, an egg, or how many eggs you want, and a fork, and of course a microwave. And if you like cheesy eggs, you can add cheese. So what you want to do first is get your egg, crack it on the table, not too hard. Just to where it has a little crack in it. And just crack it in your mug. Take your fork. Oh, and if you want to add cheese, break it and just put it in there. And after you do that, you just stir it. So just stir it like that. After you're done with that, after you're done mixing it, you're going to go over to your microwave. Okay, open your microwave, put it in, and put it in on for about 30 seconds. Just wait till those 30 seconds are done. You might want to watch it. Take 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After you do that, take it out. Should look something like this. Get your fork and kind of mix it up, cause it'll be a little liquidy. Put it in the microwave for about 15 more seconds. Should look something like this still. Mix it up. It shouldn't be in liquidy anymore, depending on what kind of microwave you have. Kind of mix it up, and you're done. Hope you enjoy these wonderful eggs. Put whatever you want on it, or if you'd like to eat it plain, eat it plain. Go wild. Thanks for watching. Bye.